stump removal contractors looking for a larger, high-production grinder should consider one of our powerful backyard stump grinders. Two sizes are offered from Bandit, 2890 XP or the Model 2900 XP. The Model 2890 XP is equipped with rubber tires, while the 2900 XP is equipped with an expandable, retractable undercarriage. The Model 2890 XP is the largest self-propelled stump grinder offered on rubber tires. It comes standard with four-wheel drive, allowing it to easily traverse over uneven or soft terrain. Four powerful 32-inch cubic drive motors provide maximum torque for traveling up hills and chip piles. Positive lock drive motors are standard. These motors provide equal drive power to all tires. The 2890 XP can be equipped with either a radio remote control. What makes the 2890 and 2900 stand out is the amazingly powerful hydrostatic drive system. Not only does the hydrostatic system enhance the ease of operating the stump grinder, but it also eliminates the need for separate drive belts to the cutter wheel. The poly chain drive belt is larger in size when compared to most competitive grinders in this class. The larger belt will help carry torque down to the cutter wheel more efficiently and will withstand the shock load better, increasing longevity. A heavy-duty Sauer Danfoss 78cc hydraulic pump provides up to 25% more torque to the cutter wheel. These combinations make these units extremely productive and reliable, providing years of service with little maintenance costs. Impressive grinding dimensions add to the overall productivity of these grinders, allowing them to tackle stumps of all species and sizes. Cutting dimensions include a cutter swing of 74 inches, a cutting depth of 25 5/8 inches, and a cutting height of 31 1/2 inches. These combinations reduce the number of times the unit will need repositioning. A variable speed cutter head also increases production and adds to the versatility of these units. The adjustable swing speed of the cutter head provides the operator full control over how fast the teeth can advance into the cut. The Model 2890 XP and 2900 XP are rugged, high-production stump grinders designed to provide years of dependable service.